A change occurred toward the end of 330 CE when Roman Emperor Constantine made it his home, changing its name to Constantinople upon his death. The Roman Empire under Constantine, after agreeing to treat the early Christians with impunity, embraced the art of Byzantium and its many traditions. This found artists travelling back and forth as trade flowed along the Adriatic coast. With this trade reaching as far away as Venice, it too became a hotbed of craftsmanship, in turn sending Byzantine influence well into the heart of Europe. And so Constantinople's reputation and goods became the envy of the world.